If you know how to complain about the weather in Dutch, then you are becoming a real Dutchie. Let me show you how in this video. Let's start with an animation to absorb the language. Listen, turn on your subtitles so that you can read along and immerse yourself. It's okay to watch this animation twice, so pause the video, go back if you need to. Hoi Henk, ga je de hond uitlaten?
Ja, ik ga even lekker een rondje wandelen met haar.
Fijn. Lekker weertje, hè?
Ja, zeker. Eindelijk zon. Dat werd tijd.
Ja, inderdaad. Die regen van de afgelopen dagen was natuurlijk wel goed voor de planten en het gras.
Dat wel. Ik loop weer even verder. Fijne avond nog.
Jij ook. Even kijken wat het weerbericht is. Oh nee, morgen gaat het regenen en in de avond gaat het hard waaien. Echt herfstweer. Helaas is het dan niet meer zonnig. By the end of this video, you know how to talk about the weather. And to do so, you need to work on a few building blocks. Those are vocabulary, useful phrases, and a few tenses such as the present tense, the future tense, and the past tense. Let's start with vocabulary. Read along when I pronounce these verbs and mimic my sounds. Regenen. Waaien. Sneeuwen. Hagelen. Stormen. Onweren. Bliksemen. Vriezen. Schijnen. Oh, and if you don't know the difference between onweren and bliksemen, that is that onweren means thundering and bliksemen is the lightning. Oh, and since we're talking about verbs here, you need to conjugate them, and I will tell you more about this later in this video. And when talking about the weather, you also need some adjectives. Lekker. And lekker, you can use it for many situations, but in this case, the weather. You can say, het is lekker weer. Het is lekker. That means it's positive. The opposite of this is slecht. Or you can say koud, warm, or regenachtig, zonnig, and bewolkt. When you talk about the weather, you need different tenses. When you talk about the weather today or right now, you need the present tense. When you talk about tomorrow, you need the future tense or the present tense. And when you talk about yesterday, then you need the past tense. Let's take a look at some examples. Vandaag regent het de hele dag. Morgen gaat het regenen. Gisteren regende het ook. The first sentence is in the present tense. You need to conjugate the verb regenen. The subject is het, so it's stem plus t. The stem is regen. Put a t at the end and you have the conjugated form of this verb. The second sentence is about the future, so use the future tense. Gaan plus infinitive. The infinitive is regenen and you need to conjugate gaan. And the last sentence is in the past tense. We use the imperfectum regende. I have different videos about those tenses, so check them out after you've watched this video. You can find the links below. A mistake that a lot of people make is that they say, het is regenen. This is incorrect because if you use het is, then you need an adverb. Het is regenachtig. It's rainy. Or het is zonnig. It's sunny. If you want to say that it's raining, then say het regent. So conjugate the verb. I have some useful phrases for you to spice it up a bit. Lekker weertje, hè? Nice weather, right? Dat werd tijd. It was about damn time. Jonge, jonge. Oh boy, oh boy. Eindelijk zon. Finally some sunshine. Gadverdamme, wat een weer. Damn, such a bad weather. Now that you've worked on your building blocks, it's time to prepare for speaking in public. Let's do that with a speaking template. You can read along, mimic my sounds until you feel confident about your pronunciation.
Wat een weer, hè? Ja, vreselijk. Het regent al de hele dag. Ja, en gisteren regende het ook al. Jongen, jongen. Eindelijk zon. Ja, heerlijk. En morgen is het ook zonnig. Dat werd tijd. Wat een lekker weertje.
Ready to talk about, or do I need to say complain about the weather? Let's test it.
How to describe this weather in Dutch. Use the present tense. You can say het regent. Het is regenachtig. Het is bewolkt en grijs. Vreselijk.
Let me know what the weather is like right now at your place when you're watching this video, and you can comment it below and I will give you feedback. And if you want to get a notification each time I upload a new video, then don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next video.